Munis with Cooper, tax-free treasure. Hey there, I'm Cooper, and today we are talking about municipal bonds, or Munis for short. Think of a city like a giant teenager who constantly needs money for big projects. When a city wants to build a new stadium or fix a bridge, they ask you for a loan. That loan is a municipal bond. It's basically an official IOU from the government. You give them cash now, and they promise to pay you back with a little extra thank you money. It's like being the city's favorite rich uncle, but without the awkward holiday dinners. Now, why would you do this? Because Uncle Sam loves to take a bite of your cookies. With most investments, the government takes a cut of your earnings. It's the tax man's tax. But municipal bonds are different. The interest is usually federal tax-free. And if you buy a bond from your own state, you might skip state taxes too. It's called double tax exempt, and it's basically a financial superpower. More money in your pocket means more money for, well, more Hawaiian shirts for me. You might be wondering, Cooper, is my money safe with these city folks? Generally, yes. Cities rarely just vanish overnight like a bad magician. There are two main types. First, general obligation bonds, backed by the city's power to tax. If they owe you money, they can just collect more taxes to pay you back. Handy, right? Then there are revenue bonds, which are paid back by specific projects, like toll roads. So every time someone pays a toll, a tiny bit of that could be heading to your bank account. So what are you actually buying? You're buying the stuff that makes life better. Like this playground, or a brand new high school for the local kids. Maybe you're funding a water treatment plant so everyone has clean water for their coffee. It's one of the few investments where you can literally see your money at work in your backyard. You're basically a local hero, just without the tight spandex suit. Unless you want to wear the spandex, I'm not here to judge your fashion choices. Alright, you're convinced. How do you get in on this action? It's easier than assembling IKEA furniture. You could buy individual bonds through a broker, but those can be expensive. The pro-Cooper move is to look at muni mutual funds, or ETFs. These funds bundle hundreds of bonds together, so if one city has a bad day, you're still okay. Always check the credit ratings. AAA is the gold standard. Anything else is a bit more spicy. Talk to a financial advisor if you're unsure. They get paid to know this stuff. So, let's recap. Munis help build your community and keep your taxes low. They are steady, reliable, and honestly, kind of cool in a responsible adult way. Just remember, no investment is 100% risk-free. Even cities can have bad budgets. But if you want tax-free income, it's hard to beat the magic of the municipal bond. Go forth. Invest wisely. And don't spend all your savings on fancy Hawaiian shirts like I do. I'm Cooper. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the tax-free finish line. Bye.